Hello everyone, welcome back at Take ET. The iPhone 12 needs to be a huge change to Apple's smartphone. The iPhone 11 range brought very little in terms of an upgrade. With new camera tweaks and some more power inside, there were modest updates to the popular iPhone range. So what will be the next iPhone? The first of a new decade? Is Apple going to give us a truly new iPhone? The good news is that in the build-up to the iPhone 11 launch, we heard lots of rumors and leaks of an upgraded iPhone. If all of those rumors prove right for the next-gen device, then the iPhone 12 could be the big upgrade we are hoping for. In this video, I will talk about all the latest leaks and updates on the new iPhone. There aren't any official iPhone 12 release date rumors as yet, but we are almost certain that we know when it will appear. Apple launches its new phones almost metronomically, and while every year there's a rumor of it changing, it's always held to a similar time. Firstly, the new iPhone release date will definitely be September 2020, and it's always around the second week. So we are going to guess that we will see Apple unveil the iPhone 12 on 8th September. You will be able to pick it up 10 days after that, so you will need a Friday off work if you are desperate to get your hands on one. When it comes to the iPhone 12 price, it's likely to stay broadly in the line with current models. Having said that, one report suggests that the cost of the materials for iPhone 12 range might go up, which could mean even higher prices at retail. Apple could be making some big changes to the design and screen for iPhone 12 range, including getting rid of the notch. If this happens, we would expect it to be the most expensive iPhone 12 model that has this feature, likely the iPhone 12 Pro Max or whatever it launches as. Another leak suggests Apple is developing new Face ID tech, which will lead to a redesigned and potentially slimmer notch. Allegedly, the company is trying out several combinations, including ones that minimize the front-facing optics so much that they fit in the top bezel. One other report also suggested Face ID will be dropped entirely in favor of an under-screen fingerprint scanner. This would be a big change for the brand since current models don't have a fingerprint scanner at all. That being said, if camera really is in-screen, then it might not be possible to have all Face ID sensors, so it could be that this fingerprint scanner will replace Face ID. One or more 2020 iPhone models might also have a 120Hz refresh rate, up from 60Hz on current models. Another big change could take the form of 5G, which has been widely rumored for the iPhone 12. Ming-Chi Kuo even says that he thinks all three models will support 5G. This new 5G iPhone could be supported by a 5nm A14 Bionic processor. The RAM could also get a boost, with analysts claiming that the iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max will have 6GB of RAM. The iPhone 12 might also get a camera upgrade. A laser-powered 3D camera might include in the camera array. Finally, there's a chance that Apple could add a further handset to its lineup in 2020, likely the iPhone SE 2. By the sounds of things, this could be a lower-end option, but we would take its existence with a serious side of salt. Well, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.